Alrighty guys, so I'm going to show you how to complete this comparing ordering slide. This one is for a grade, so I want to make sure you know. So you click there to get to this screen. You'll make a copy, and you're going to rename it as always. I apologize for changing that earlier in the week. Hopefully we don't have any more issues there. So highlight copy of, change it with your first and last name. Once again, notice I'm leaving the rest of it there. That way I can search for the title of the assignment and find everyone's. Okay, you can go ahead and double click to highlight that line and then type your name here if you'd like. Again, your name's up here as well, so not a huge deal. All right, so you've got some directions here. It says place an X in the boxes of the clues that describe the number. Okay, so here are your two numbers, and then here is the rest of my table. So these are the descriptors. So if the X goes where it is true. So let's see. My descriptor says the number is greater than 5,924. My number is 6,573. So always start in a larger place. I've got a 6 in the thousands place here and a 5 in the thousands place here. So this number is greater than 5,924. So I'm just going to click. Oh, I'm sorry. See how I have my arrows? It makes that plus sign with the arrows. That's when you're able to drag. But when I have a blinking cursor, or if I click on it and you see this little up and down like gray looking cursor, it's not going to drag either. So it just highlights it. Make sure you've got your 4 arrows and then you can drag. Ta-da! So that will be how that works out. So same thing here. We'll compare this number to this statement. Is this number greater than that? The number is less than 6,142. Is that true? If it is, put an X, so on and so forth. Okie dokie. So now you're going to sort the number cards into the appropriate column on the table. These are your number cards. So you're going to sort them according to the clues here. So let's look at the first one. Greater than 7,480. So let's see. Oh, wow. All of these have 7,000. Okay, so I need to go to the next place. Look at my hundreds place. I have 400. So if it fits in this column, it will be greater than 400. So I don't see, they all have, well, that one's not going to fit because it's less. And these are all 4, so I'm going to go to the next place. So 80, greater than 480. That's not going to fit because it's less. Greater than 480. So I'm going to click here. It's a cursor, so I got to wait till I have my little plus sign arrows, and I can drag this guy over here. Okay, so I notice I only looked at these first. I want to keep my brain on one. I'm a one-track mind kind of person. I got to do one thing at a time. So then once I finish with my standard form numbers, I will then come down and do my word form numbers and drag them into the appropriate columns. Looking down at slide 4, you're going to use this table and you're going to finish the statement. This will be the same for the next couple of slides. So let's see if the statement says the population of Bristol. What is this symbol? Is it less than or greater than? If you remember from our dance, less than is always to the right. Remember, it looks like the L. Okay, so it's less. Population of Bristol is less than the population of what town? So we need to find the population of Bristol. There's Bristol. It's 68,745. So it is going to be less. What is this less than? Well, directly above it, I see 9. So 68,900 is definitely larger than 68,700. So I can drag Greenville into my slot. So there we go. So that will tell you how to answer the rest of up until slide 8. And then on slide 8, once again, you're just dragging and dropping. So you've got all of these numbers. Only one of them will fit here. You need to drag the correct one to this middle box. Do not type it. You can click and drag it. By the way, I'm not even looking at the number. So, okay, that's how that works. Same with this one. Okay, so let's pretend I'm all done. I finished my work. So I'm going to click share. Make sure it's shared with me, and I'm going to copy that link and go back to my slide. And so once I'm in this, back on my assignment here, I'm going to go to submit, make sure I'm on website URL. I've got the link already copied, and I'm going to Control V or right click paste, and then voila, submit. Bada bing, bada